comes under Solanaceae family. Okay. Important line, you should remember 4 points regarding tabacum for understanding. Nausea, vomiting, nausea, vomiting, cold sweat, okay, cold sweat, nausea, vomiting, cold sweat, dizziness. These 4 line, if you remember, whole tabacum is covered with this 4 point. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 point. What does it means? Nausea, vomiting, cold sweat, dizziness. So all those complaints, in particular, in general, all those complaints are associated with these 4 points, that is nausea, vomiting, cold sweat all over the body, and dizziness, means marked prostration. Okay, this is, and tabacum is also used, all those complaints are comes in a paroxysmal manner. These are the 4 to 5 points you should remember whenever you study tabacum. These 4 points you should remember. All those complaints you can elaborate, and you can easily, these things are commonly asked in your competitive exam also. Clinically, tabacum is used in the migraine, renal stone, and prolapse case. Clinically, migraine, prolapse, and renal stone. In this 4 to 5 clinical sphere, that is clinically, the tabacum is mostly used in the case of migraine and renal stone, that is renal colic, and important is renal migraine, your migraine, then renal stone, mainly which side renal stone, that is right side. Tabacum affection is right side affection. Okay, tabacum is a right sided drug. Migraine, prolapse, and renal stone. These 4 to 5 points you should remember about the introduction part, and about all those tobacco, what it considered. These are the common things you should remember, you should know, and in your competitive exam these are commonly asked. Now, the tabacum disease is originated by the cerebral irritation, mainly the vagus nerve irritation. There will be in physical, you can see in the constitution, that is emaciation of a cheek and a back. And we know the complete prostration, which we discussed before, that is fainting, that is dizziness. Complete prostration will be occur in the entire muscular system. Why? Because of the loss of vital fluid through sweat, that causes it. The important thing is that what it is, the sensation of wretchedness means sickness. The person thinks that the disease is not recovery, not curable, and the feeling of a sickness, that is sick feeling, always feel of a sick, that is sick feeling of a wretchedness means sick feeling. Then important line, that is icy coldness of the surface, means icy coldness. Why icy coldness? Icy coldness of surface, which surface? Body surface covered with cold sweat. Now in this comparison, you can find the sweat over forehead, that is veratrum, sweat all over the body, arsenic, antiumtat, tobacco, and this commonly asked, sweat on the all over the body, sweat on the head, sweat on the face. These are commonly question asked. Important, what I discussed before, that is symptoms always appear in a paroxysmal. The symptom of asthma or sick headache or vertigo or sneezing. Important. Now, the great despondency with indigestion. Okay, great despondency with indigestion. That's line important, that is indigestion, palpitation, and intermittent pulse. So palpitation CVS, indigestion GI, and cardiovascular. And GI system is the most important sphere of action of tabacum. Vertigo, that is migraine or vertigo. A question asked in the short note, mostly tabacum in university short note is asked, that is migraine or vertigo. Feeling of a death like pallor, means the patient should feel of a death like pallor. Increased loss of consciousness, relieved by open air. Like loss of consciousness when rising of the bed, what is the drug? That is brownia. You can remember in this comparison in this way. Okay, now the vomiting on rising, looking upward. Okay, this line, the opening of the eyes the vertigo is our tabacum. Closing eye vertigo is what? That is lachesis, thuja, theridion. Okay, thuja, theridion, lachesis. This drug you should remember. About to closing the eyes vertigo. What are the drug? That is lachesis, thuja, and theridion. Okay, you should remember. That is lachesis, thuja, and theridion. Okay, now the natramil like symptom. Okay, the during migraine, that is during a migraine, what general symptom you should know, that a migraine there will be nausea, vomiting. What I before said, that all symptoms are associated with nausea, vomiting, cold sweat. Now here also the sick headache coming in the early morning, noon intolerable, and it associated with the deadly nausea and vomiting, aggravation by noise and light. You should know in a common general way that is migraine always having a tendency, that is aggravation by noise or light, periodically appear, lasting 1 to 2 days. Tabacum is a drug of paroxysmal like Syncona. Okay, now the thing is that sudden pain on the right side. We know affection is a right side, as if head is struck through a hammer or club. Another drug of sensation as if hammering, that is natramur. Natramur also the drug that is hammering sensation during menses, having headache sensation. Then there will be the now veil like in the eye part of the tabacum. You should remember one point is that due to the retina or atrophy of the optic nerve, there will be dim sight vision, that is as sensation as through a veil. What is as through a veil? veल मीन्स एक पर्दा के आगे जैसे पर्दा जैसे कैटरेक्ट में क्लाउडी लाइक vision will be appear. That thing is dim sightedness. We know the cheek is sunken, that's why face become pale, sunken, collapsed, covered with cold sweat. That is general feature. Cold sweat in the forehead, that is veratum. You should remember in this way. Nausea, incessant. Incessant means nausea, vomiting one after another means that is regular, that is in a continuous manner. Incessant means continuous, as if sea sickness. Okay, sea sickness another drug, brownia also given in sea sickness, sepia also sea sickness. Okay, tabacum also sea sickness. You should remember this thing. Tabacum, brownia also given in sea sickness. Then theridion also given in sea sickness. Then your petroleum also given in sea sickness drug, you should remember. Then sepia, these are the drug of sea sickness. Okay, now the vomiting on least motion, like brownia. You should remember this line. So I discuss all those comparative. By comparative way you can remember. Vomiting with least motion with faintness, ambulation by open air ambulation like pulsatilla. Here also open air ambulation. Vomiting, that is violent cold sweat as soon as he begins to move. Brownia also this type of a symptom, that is faintness during sit up, there will be faintness. Here also whenever he wants to start to move, the vomiting will be started. That is the vomiting during pregnancy also given when lactic acid. So in pregnancy there will be nausea, vomiting. We know sepia also they are having that is our colchicum also. Carriage riding also find, that is you can remember by this way, that colchicum is our vomiting also find, morning sickness also find. But here one thing you should remember in the colchicum is that the aggravation is occur by कोकुलस नहीं, कोकुलस में भी नाउजिया वोमिटिंग होता है, राइडिंग कैरेज में होता है. बट हियर इज द थिंग इज दैट कोकुलस इज द ड्रग ऑफ time passes too quickly. Okay, you can remember this way, that is riding carriage. What are the drug? That is coculus, tabacum, and your coculus also. Here you can remember coculus. Then sea sickness, coculus, nausea, pallor, coldness, aggravation by least motion, ambulation by deck, fresh cold air. That is the thing. Now Now the terrible faint feeling in the tip of the stomach. Why? Because after vomiting, the faint sensation is found in that. Relaxation of sensation in the stomach with nausea, ipecac, staphysagra also find. Child wants abdomen uncovered because of so much body is warm and extremities is cold. That's why the child always want to uncover the abdomen so that he feels relief from nausea and vomiting. Coldness in the abdomen like lactasis, colchicum. Here there will be coldness feeling. Then constipation congestion. Here congestion may be inactive of the bowel or paralysis of the rectum or spasm of the sphincter. That's why causing what? There will be causing of a prolapse of Arni. Here you can remember prolapse of Arni. One good remedy is tabacum, but always remember nausea, vomiting, cold sweat and a sensation of a sick feeling. These 4 things present, then you can think about tabacum. Then diarrhea, there will be sudden yellowish like common general diarrhea, that is crotontic, podogram, this type of diarrhea. But here always remember nausea, vomiting, prostration and cold sweat. These 4 points you always remember. These are important. Cold sweat, prostration and vomiting, nausea. These 4 points you always remember. I always टोल्ड बार मैं बोलती हूँ इसलिए कि याद रह जाए इस वीडियो के बाद, और टैबाकम नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. ओके. Then extreme faintness, excessive smoking. So tobacco is a which type of drug? Narcotic drug. That's why smoking causes diarrhea. Also, you should remember one thing is that tobacco is a right side drug. Left side is only its renal colic. Or you can remember tobacco is a left side drug. Headache is only right sided. Okay. Now the CBS system. What is CBS? Palpitation, violent, left side, lying on the left side, there will be violent. Turning on the right side, there will be amylation by right side, and aggravation by left side. Due to the palpitation के टाइम angina pectoris होता है, intermittent pulse होता है. Pulse में भी क्विक हो जाता है. उसके बाद क्या होता है? क्विक, फुल और लार्ज, स्मॉल, इंटरमिटेंट और slow, feeble, irregular, hyper. That these things also find in which intermittent pulse we find in digitalis, muriatic acid. You can remember in this way. Hand is icy cold, body is warm. Another 2 drug, legs is icy cold. Legs icy cold like Lyco. Here warm body, that is Annika. Okay, China. Also these things you find. Trembling of the limb. Antidote by the tobacco use, excessive vomiting, arsenic bad effect upon you. Then you can use tobacco for toothache. Those person who are toothache by chewing tobacco, you can give सेपिया इन राइट साइड फेस में सेपिया होता है. लाइको इन इम्पोटेंसी में देते हैं. जेल्सिमियम ऑसिपिटल हेडाक में. और टाबाकम 200 और 1 ml रिलीव क्रेविंग फॉर टोबैको एब्सटिनेंस में टैबाको को 200 में और 1 ml में देते हैं. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टैबाकम. इफ यू लाइक देन सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट इन बिलो.